Today I'm going to Blizzard Beach with my friends, and I'm very excited because even though I've lived here my whole life, I've never gone to the Disney water parks. I actually don't go to water parks. I've been to one water park as a kid. It was Wet n Wild. I don't think that exists anymore, so come with me. Guys, I faced my fears and we went on one of the rides, and now we're about to go on the chairlift, and I'm afraid of heights, so they're gonna squeeze me in the middle and we're gonna get my reaction. Guys, I wasn't allowed to go in the middle. Yeah. I don't like this part. Literally, why did it stop?
Please remain seated in the raft and hold on to the handle with both hands. As soon as you...
This is really great. Hey, I'm being brave again, guys. Currents.